Welcome to HSDIGITALHUB 320. In this lesson, we will learn about HTML heading tags and understand how they help structure web content effectively. Heading tags are used to define the hierarchy and organization of information on a web page. They make content easier to read for users and easier to understand for search engines. Let's begin with the H1 tag. The H1 tag represents the main heading of a web page. It is the most important heading and is typically used only once per page. It usually contains the primary topic or title of the content. Next is the H2 tag. H2 tags are used for major sections within a web page. They help divide content into meaningful categories and improve overall organization. After that comes the H3 tag. H3 tags are used for subsections within H2 sections. They provide additional structure and help break down information into smaller, easier to understand parts. The H4, H5, and H6 tags are used for deeper levels of content organization. Although they are used less frequently, they are helpful when creating detailed documents or large websites. Now let's look at the heading hierarchy. The order follows a simple structure. H1 is the highest level heading. H2 comes below H1. H3 comes below H2. This pattern continues through H4, H5, and H6. Following this hierarchy ensures that content remains organized and professional. Heading tags also provide important SEO benefits. Search engines use headings to understand the structure and main topics of a page. Proper heading usage can improve search engine visibility and enhance user experience. In addition, heading tags improve accessibility. Screen readers use headings to help visually impaired users navigate content more efficiently. A well-structured page is easier for everyone to access and understand. There are some common mistakes that beginners should avoid. Do not use multiple H1 tags unnecessarily. Do not skip heading levels without a valid reason. Always maintain a logical structure throughout your content. Here are some best practices. Use one clear H1 heading. Write descriptive headings. Follow a logical hierarchy from H1 to H6. Keep your content organized and easy to navigate. To summarize, HTML heading tags are essential for creating well-structured, readable, and SEO-friendly web pages. By using H1 through H6 correctly, you can improve both user experience and website performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HSD IGI TAL HUB 320 for more web development tutorials. See you in the next lesson.